If you need to search and locate a target IMSI, you can choose Locate Mode. This video will introduce how to use Locate Mode. Enter the main interface of the software. Click the Channel button, enter the setting page. Select Locate Mode from the top of the setting page. Enter a target IMSI or import it from the blacklist. Configure the channel parameters automatically or manually. Click the Start button to initiate IMSI capturing and locating. The Start button will become Stop after the mission is started. Click the Status button to enter the status page and check the status of channels. Each channel is represented by a tower icon with letters indicating its network mode. When the device is online and ready for operation, the status will display as idle with a light blue tower icon. When the device operates in a specific mode, its status will display as detecting, locating, or controlling, with the tower icon turning dark blue to indicate the active mode. When the status of the configured network channels changes to locating, it indicates that these channels are ready to capture IMSI numbers. It takes from a few seconds to tens of seconds for different channels to become active. Click List icon on the left side of the main interface. All captured IMSIs would be displayed with detailed information of each IMSI, including the country, MNO, full IMSI number, ARFCN, signal strength, latest time captured, and the times that the IMSI has been captured. If the target IMSI is captured, it's displayed on top of the IMSI list in green color, and its signal strength is also updated in real time. A notification message, Target IMSI Found, appears at the top of the screen, and the target signal strength is refreshed in real time. Meanwhile, the small human-shaped icon in the upper left corner turns green. All the other blacklisted IMSIs captured are displayed just after the target IMSI in red color. Scroll down the screen in the IMSI list area to view the full list of detected IMSI numbers. Click the RSRP title to sort the IMSI list by signal strength, from highest to lowest. Click it again to sort in reverse order. Similarly, you can also click on Time, Country, and MNO to sort the results. If you need to track and locate a target, you can maneuver the drone to approach the target. The direction in which the signal strength increases is the direction of the target's IMSI. Continuously adjust the drone's direction based on changes in the signal to precisely lock onto the target device until you are close to it. While flying around the target area, continuously monitor the signal strength of the target's number. Record the drone's GPS coordinates when the strongest signal is received, as the estimated location of the target.